read and learn. Sky is so bright. Smart kids grow with moonlight.
Read and learn, shine so bright. Smart kids grow with moonlight. eSchoolify series, fun and true. Learning dreams for me and you.
Welcome to eSchoolify series.
Assalamualaikum, Sayyida Maryam Naqvi is here from the Moonlight International Publishers. Our today's topic is hot and cold. First of all, look at the sun. Is it hot or cold? Yes, the sun is hot. Now, look at this ice cube. Is it hot or cold? Yes, it's cold. Now, the expected learning outcome is the student is expected to describe and compare objects using length, weight, height and temperature like hot and cold as measurements attributes. Okay, so look at this image. Cold, hot, cold, hot. As before starting this lesson, I told you about sun and ice. Now look here, ice cream. Is it hot? No, it's cold. Look at the sun. Look at the coffee. Look at the tea. Hot coffee, hot tea, hot sun. Touch it. Tea is hot. Tea is hot. Ice is cold. Very good. I hope so you understood what is meant by hot and cold. Thank you very much. Allah Hafiz.